Prynhawn. I'm recording this message to ask you not to put our staff in harm's way. Right across our organisation, staff are working tirelessly to ensure that we can continue to provide you the best possible care as we respond to Covid-19. This is uncharted territory for our generation, but our plans continue to develop as we work with our partners to ensure that we deliver care as safely and effectively as possible. I have a plea for the wider public at this time. Our teams operating in your community are reporting that they arrive at the scene of an incident, possibly at your home, to discover that callers have withheld information about their symptoms. Some of you have told us that you were concerned that, had you been honest, an ambulance would not have been sent. We understand your concerns, but I want to make a couple of things clear. Firstly, we will always send an ambulance where it's warranted, but this means relying on what our call handlers are told at the point that you call us. If you don't give us accurate information, you risk the welfare of the people whose job it is to care for us all. This is incredibly unfair on our staff, as it means that their right to enter your home prepared has been removed. Personal protective equipment is worn by our staff to protect them from contracting the disease. I must ask everyone who calls either 111 or 999 to be honest with us about what's wrong with you and allow us to signpost you to the right care. These are difficult times for us all, but please don't put our staff in harm's way when they just don't need to be. Please heed the official advice from the government and stay at home, protect the NHS, save lives. Thank you. Diolch yn fawr.